It's hard to tell the scale of a project until you see it in person. Some of these panels are over 100,000 pounds and 50, 60 feet tall, and you just don't realize how big those are until you see them in person, especially if you're there while the crane is erecting it and you see it floating in the air.
That was one of the chief challenges for the project as a 6-story office building. And we do those in a 4-story panel and then lift a 2-story panel on top of it. So having the interstate on the one side, it was a big challenge to help the contractor through all that would need to happen.
The entry to it is pretty impressive because you have the second floor of the office sort of cantilevers over the entrance of the building a little bit, and you have these very large tilt-up columns that are going up there, right? We made the columns that were supporting that canopy, supporting the second floor and the roof, and also supporting some tilt panels as well along the front of the building. So we designed those columns as tilt panels. They're sort of buried into the footings to sort of make a fixed base to those columns. It's pretty unique to that building.
We just did the panels and panel design, so we had to do all the layouts for them to construct the panels, and then we did the reinforcing for the panels and the inserts as well. The challenging part of this one was the extreme angles that we had, getting those panels to come together to figure out how to make them work, how to connect them, what sections we needed to make it clear for the guys pouring the panels and making the panel as easy as possible. Overall, it was a fun project, but there were times when we're definitely pulling our hair out to figure things out.
Seeing it is really awesome. And yeah, I love going out to the site and seeing our work come to life.
That's the thing right there. It's that you've helped, you've contributed to something, and it's sure it has an aesthetic, but it's going to last. It's going to be there 50 years later, and that's what's most impressive to me.